This is the solution to written homework 85. So it says completely factor f. Okay, so we use the rational zeros theorem to get some candidates. So the rational zeros theorem says that this should be plus or minus a factor of 36 divided by a factor of 1. So the 36 numerator comes from the constant coefficient, and the denominator comes from the leading coefficient. Okay, so that is plus or minus, well, they're all going to be over 1, that's nice. So that'd be plus or minus 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is paired with 9, but we also have 6, so 6 is paired with itself. 4 with 9, 3 with 12, 2 with 18, and 1 with 36. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 18 possibilities. Wow, that's a lot. Okay, so then we'll start guessing. I'll write small because there's so many possibilities. So 1, 6, negative 7, negative 36, and then 36. Okay, I'll guess 1 out of hope. So then 1, so carry the 1, and then 1 times 1 is, so multiply, add, multiply, add, multiply, add, and multiply, add. Wow. So that's good. It was looking bad that it was a degree 4, a quartic. But then whoever wrote the question gave us some relief by making 1 one of the zeros. So f of x is x minus 1, and then multiplied by x cubed plus 7x squared, and then plus 0x minus 36. So now we'll factor the next part. We want to factor that, and we'll do that with the rational zeros theorem. And again, it's going to be plus or minus, the candidates are plus or minus a factor of 36 over a factor of 1. And again, the 1 comes from the leading coefficient, and the 36 from the constant coefficient. So plus or minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 9 with 4, 3 with 12, 2 with 18, 1 with 36. Okay. So now there's, again, nothing better to do than guess. So let's guess So 1, 7, 0, negative 36. So let's guess 1. Okay, so carry that down and then multiply, add, multiply, add, multiply, add. Okay, so 1 is off the list. Negative 36. Okay, how about 2? So carry and then multiply, add, multiply, add, multiply, add. Okay, so that didn't work. Try again. -170, negative 36. How about a 3? Feeling lucky with the 3. So carry and then multiply, add, multiply, add, multiply. Oh, that was way too big. Let's check that. 90. Okay, so then this would be 54. So that didn't work. Okay. How about 4? -170, negative 36. So carry this down. And then multiply, add, multiply, add, and then wow, that's a really big number, so 160, 176. So adding those together, that'd be 140. So going to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm already at 140. So I'll try moving one more to the right, and if I get any bigger, that's gonna make me think maybe I should try to go the other direction. Okay. 6. 170, negative 36. Okay, so carry and then multiply, add, 60, 78. Oh wow, starting to get real big numbers. So that'd be 78 here, and then 6 times 78 is 468, and then add negative 36 to that. Oops. Add negative 36. 432. Okay, so that was sad, and now this one is sad, even with a little tear, because we're getting really far away. So let's try going the other direction. How about negative 1? Okay, so 1, 7, 0, negative 36. So we're going to carry, and then add, and then multiply, add, multiply, add. Okay, so negative 30. Not 0, but it's closer. Okay, how about negative 2? So 1, 7, 0, 36. So carry it down, and then multiply, add, multiply, add, multiply, add. Okay, so negative 30, negative 16, we're getting closer to 0. I'm feeling good about negative 3. 1, 7, 0, negative 36. Okay, 1, and then multiply, add, multiply, add, multiply, multiply, add. Okay, so this one was a no, that one was a no, but this one, we made it. So as a result of that, f of x is x minus 1 multiplied by x plus 3 multiplied by that. So that would be x squared plus 4x minus 12. So now we've got it down to a quadratic. And now the question is can we factor this one using an easy method, hopefully? Well, yes we can. Because can I think of two numbers whose product is negative 12 and whose sum is positive 4? Sure. So x minus 1 times x plus 3 times x plus 6 times x minus 2. Times x minus 2. That means that 2 should have been a 0. Why was it not a 0 up here? So 1, carry it down, multiply, add. Ah! So look at how much work I went through. So this is actually a mistake. So that's actually a mistake because it should be 2 times 9 is 18. So I saw this mistake. I saw this mistake right here, noticing that 2 is one of the zeros. So that's a mistake. But through enough perseverance, eventually we're able to come to the right answer anyway. And so that's the answer.